Hey guys, it is my birthday, y'all! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday, dear me! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is my birthday and I'm super excited. So this year, guys, I'm not even counting like the year. It's my birthday, but we're not counting the years, so the years are still on one place because no, 2020 doesn't count. So this is how usually my hair looks like. It's so dry, guys. It's dry. I have soft hair and my soft hair is dry. Like, I don't understand why am I experiencing this, but it gets too drying and dehydrated. So I decided to went to Clicks to buy some AFROBOTANICS product, and the first product that I came up with, it is this Black Pearl Enhanced Moisture Hydrating Conditioner. It claims to rebuilds, hydrates and nourishes. And yeah, this is the first product that I got, and it smells wonderful, y'all. It smells so great. So when you open the tube, it's like, I don't know, yeah, it opens like that, and then it's like a sticky custody. It's like a custody feel in it. So the second product that I got, it is also by Black Pearls, the Black Pearl Enhanced Moisture Sulfate Free Shampoo. It also revives and stimulates. It's also by AFROBOTANICS. So in every product, actually, she explains how she applies everything and how to apply it, although it was a bit difficult for me because I'm new to this thing, guys. Like, I normally don't take care of my hair, and this is how the gel is looking. I don't know if it's gel, whatever. This is how the consistency is looking. So the next product that I went in with, guys, I'm rocking one brand, AFROBOTANICS. Is this African triple butter, baobab oil, marula oil, moringa oil, and this one it is it's healthy hair butter. It's usually for hair treatment, hot oil treatment. So this one also, it's like I don't know, this consistency, it's like sticky-ish in a way, and it looks like relaxer when it's opened. And the next product that I went on is also by AFROBOTANICS, and it is the African triple butter. This one is a moisturizing leave-in conditioner that you're supposed to use on a daily basis. So each and every product has their own instructions at the back. So I think these products are really reasonable in terms of pricing. So the first thing that I'm going in with, it's a bottle of water, and I'm just wetting my hand, making sure that I'm starting on a wet surface, guys. Like, I really struggled to do these things because it was literally my first time to go in with more than one product on my hair. So the first product that I'm going in with is this sulfate free shampoo that is reviving and stimulating shampoo. This product has a lot of ingredients in it, but the first two ingredients includes aqua, aloe vera. Okay, let me just add the third one, which is shea butter, and some crazy and a lot of other ingredients. If you want to see all of those ingredients, maybe you should just pull up to their website if they have any. So one thing that I've noticed with this product is that it doesn't foam as much as I would like. I have used a shampoo before, but it was not too difficult to get that foam thing. I don't know what was going on, but even though I added some water, it was not that, foaming. I don't know what will happen when I have longer hair. But anyways, I went on and rinsed that with lukewarm water and dabbed everything with my shirt. When I was doing my research, someone said I must use a shirt. We must always use a shirt to, soak out the water instead of a towel. So the next thing that we're going in with, it is this Black Pearl hydrating conditioner, and it claims to rebuild, hydrates and nourishes. This baby smells great, guys. Like, and I love the fact that it looks like custard. Like, guys, it really smells wonderful. And one of the ingredients as well, like, these products have similar ingredients, which is aloe vera, aqua, shea butter and coconut oil, and on a lot of oils that are there. So this one, you guys, I was not too sure how to use it, but as she said on her instructions, she said she uses as a condition washer. So this one foams better than the first one, than the shampoo, which is sort of weird, but anyways, this baby was curling my hair. It was like intensifying those curls. Like, I was like, I can't wait to use this product when my hair is longer, just to accentuate those curls that I have on my hair. I usually have like a very soft hair texture, and the minute I put this, it was curly, babes. So the product that I'm going in with now, it is this moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and it is said to be used on a daily basis. So you are supposed to use this product before blow drying and after washing. So it's more like a moisturizer. You leave it on your head and continue with your day. And it says you have to use it on a daily basis. So in terms of washing, like the shampoo, Peltrissy said she uses this for about 2 or once a week. I think that's what she said, something like that. So you guys, again, one thing that I would say about this product is that it makes my hair really soft. And again, my hair is super soft. I don't really mind to have soft hair as long as it's not too fluffy. But if you're looking for a product that is not going to do this to your hair, then this is not your product. You may want to look for a different product. I don't know, but I feel like, I don't know if it's the products that I used before or it's just this product, but I feel like it makes my hair too soft and too moisturizing. I love the fact that it hydrates and moisturizes my hair, and I love that, guys. So this is my new hair routine. So let's toast to new healthy hair. Well, yeah, let's say new healthy hair because we are developing new hair. Okay, so yeah, that is it from me, you guys. As you can see, my hair is more moisturized and hydrated. It is curled. I think I'm gonna be using this product more often, and I'm gonna keep you updated, guys, on how everything is going. So yes, that is it from this video, you guys. Probably next week we're gonna have a birthday vlog. I'm not promising anything, but anyways, I will try. And happy birthday to myself. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.